My daughter thinks that the best paneer sabzi is made at the restaurants. So today, I have taken up the challenge to bring the typical restaurant-style flavor at home through her favorite Paneer Lababdar. I'm taking 1 tablespoon of oil in a heated pan on medium flame. Adding to this 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, 4 to 5 cloves or Laung, 6 to 7 black peppercorns or kali mirch, 2 green cardamoms or choti elaichi, 1 to 2 bay leaves, a quarter teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 green chilli chopped. Here, chopping it finely is not necessary since we will be grinding this eventually. Roast it for a minute. Next, 3 medium-sized chopped onions, 5 medium-sized chopped tomatoes. Make sure they are fresh and juicy as this will work wonders for the gravy. Next, 1 tablespoon white melon seeds, 9 to 10 cashew nuts, 2 Kashmiri Red Chillies. Stir and let it get sauteed slightly. A little bit of salt to speed up the process. Mix this well. And then add around 1 cup of water. Let this cook for 6 minutes with the lid closed. If you want to skip the onions, you can take the liberty since you will anyways get a good gravy base from the tomatoes and the cashews. Just use a pinch of hing or asafoetida while sauteing the spices. Time is up. The veggies are tender. We will let this cool down and once done, let's put it in the grinding jar for a grind with around half cup of water. The base for the gravy looks to be ready to use but not yet. This needs to be sieved. Let's pass it through the strainer. Press it nicely to get the maximum paste out of it. Yes, now we can say the base for the gravy is ready. Time to cook it with the paneer. In a heated kadhai on medium flame, I am taking 2 tablespoons of butter. The butter is heated. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. I am sauteing this for a couple of seconds. Add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri Red Chilli powder, 2 tablespoon ready-made tomato puree. This is completely optional here. And into this I am putting the gravy base that we prepared. Mix this well. Lower the flame. Add in 100 grams of grated paneer. This gives a nice and chunky texture to the gravy, just like everyone loves Paneer Lababdar. Now goes in 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon sugar for an added hint of sweetness, salt as per taste. Now goes in 1 tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. Crush them lightly between your palms. Mark my words, this is magical. Mix and combine. To this add half cup of water for the curry consistency. You can adjust the quantity of water slightly based on your preference of the consistency. 1 tablespoon fresh cream for richness and sweetness. At this stage, we add 400 grams of fresh paneer cut into cubes. Mix gently into the gravy. Close the lid and let it simmer for 3 minutes. It's time to check on this. Restaurant-style Paneer Lababdar is done and ready. Top it with some fresh cream. Garnish it with fresh coriander and serve it with some hot rotis or naan. If your family asks where did you order it from, just tell them it's from the place where food is not wrapped in boxes but love. This hint should be enough, isn't it? Till we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.